Say now avoid passing through in the terror of potentially running into you with the lies that you shared with me when I held up your truth. Cause I can numb it out, my senses will take you at face value.